Hello, my friend Namaskar. So, in this video, we are going to see a question which asked in the GATE examination, GATE CSC 2000. So, here we are having a question related to a transaction. So, if your basic concepts about the transaction are clear, then you are able to solve the question. Otherwise, I will explain how to solve the question. Okay. So, first, we are having a statement, then it is asking which of the following is true. So, let's solve the question. Okay. Now, we need to write this statement in a serial order. So we are having R1 and R2. You can say R2 and R. It means there are two transactions. So we can say R1 and we can say R2. Now let's write first R2 of X. So R2 is doing the read operation. R2 is doing the read operation on X. Okay. Then we are having R1 on X. So R1 is doing again a read operation on X. So both are reading the same value. So there is no issue. Then W1 on X. So here we are having the W1. So we can say this is T1 if you want to say T1 or T2, or you can say R1 R2. It is up to you. Both are okay. So W1 on read. So this is doing the read operation on X. And then R1. It means the first one we can say T1 is doing the read operation on Y. Read operation on Y. Now the variable change. Okay. Then we are having W2 on X. Then we are having W2. W2, this means R2 or T2 on X. Now it can create a problem over here. So because this is value initially read, and after that there is a so much of cap. So in between another transaction can do some operation. So that can create a issue. Okay, no problem. So let's move ahead. Now, now we are having a abort over here. So A1 or A2 क्या है? A1 and A2 means abort. It means now you need to roll back the transaction. So we are having first A1, then we are having A2. So this is abort. So we are having abort over here. Then we are having abort over here. So we need to roll back, and there is a abort hole. So first abort is in A1 or R1, then another abort in R2. Okay. Now let's check whether this is not recoverable or not. So let's check. So how we can recover the schedule? So in a recoverable schedule, if there is a commit, then it is okay. Or for a recoverable schedule, what there should be no dirty read. Dirty read. So in दोनों में से कोई एक चीज होनी चाहिए. So in this operation there is no commit, no problem. Let's check another. Is there any dirty read or not? So here I am unable to see any dirty read. So this is also false. So false and false. It means this is a recoverable schedule. This means this is a recoverable schedule. So this option got eliminated. This is not the right option. Okay. Moving to another option, as is a recoverable. Yes, as is a recoverable, but has a cascading abort. Now, what is the meaning of cascading abort? So it means if this got fail and because of this T2 will also fail. So it means you are depending on another transaction. अगर मैं हिंदी में आपको बताऊं कि मान लो कि एक क्लास है जिसमें एक स्टूडेंट है बहुत होशियार है, उसके बाद एक दूसरा स्टूडेंट है, उसने ए को बोला यार जो भी तू एग्जाम में लिखेगा मैं उसको एज इट इज लिख लूंगा, अगर इसके अच्छे अच्छे नंबर आएंगे तो ये भी इसके अच्छे नंबर आए. फिर एक और सी स्टूडेंट उसने ये बोला कि यार जो भी तू अपने आंसर शीट में लिखेगा मैं उसको भी कॉपी पेस्ट करूंगा, मुझे दिखा देना. अगर ए ही उस एग्जाम में नहीं पढ़ के आया, अगर ए फेल हो गया तो उसकी वजह से ये भी फेल हो जाएगा, ये भी फेल हो जाएगा, लाइक दिस. सो वी आर हैविंग अ सीरियल इफेक्ट, एक के बाद एक. सो दिस अबाउट, सो अबाउट अबाउट, सो बिकॉज ऑफ वन अबाउट अनदर अबाउट विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम. So let's find out. So we are having here cascading abort. So if I look at the abort here, so let's check whether any dependency or not. So let's check. So this is a read operation of x. Let's suppose x value is 10. Now this is also reading. Let's suppose he got also x value 10. Then this is writing. Let's suppose he has updated the value x equal to 20. So this value is updated. Now read of y. Let's suppose y value is 40. Now this is the write of x. So he has no idea that x been updated by this operation. ये जो operation था T1 और R1 ने, he has updated the value. He has no idea. So he will immediately override the value of any value. So he don't care about T1. So what we are having here, so let's suppose he want to update the value as 35. So he will update this value as a 35. So he has no idea and he is not reading any value. Let's suppose he read a value, then he is going to write. So and then if this got about, so whatever the value he is going to read, that was the false value. So there is no dirty read over here. So it will not create any kind of cache code about also. So this is also not an issue over here. Let's check. S is not having a cascading about. Yes, it is not having a cascading about. So S is strict. S is a strict. So strict, what the strict means. So strict का आपका यहाँ पे होता क्या मतलब? So strict means if T1 is doing any transaction, so there should be a commit before any another transaction occur on the same variable. So there should be always commit. So I am unable to see any commit were in the T1 or T2 or R1 R2. So this is also false. So option C is the right answer for this question. This is how you can solve a question if the examiner asks a question like this. So I hope from this video you have an idea how to solve this kind of question. इसी के साथ दोस्तों जय हिंद जय भारत.